Welcome back to our series on What Would Your Blender Ask? Coaching Wisdom from the Kitchen. And as I mentioned in previous videos, this is a book that I wrote a long time ago. I don't even think you can get this book anymore. I don't know. I have a copy. And the idea behind it is that we can use everyday objects as metaphors for things that we want in life. So what I'm going to be asking about right now is this colander, this strainer. And there's two things that we can ask about it. Number one is what strains you, and number two is what drains you. So what strains you is what really pushes on your mental muscles, your physical muscles, and you can feel the pain of it. And what drains you is really what sucks you of energy. As I think about what pulls on my mental muscle, I get strained when I think about paperwork. It's just not my favorite thing to do. And what drains me, actually, paperwork does as well. What drains me is when I have 6 days of work in a row because I haven't taken off the amount of time that I need to really rest and relax for my own benefit. So think about what strains you and what drains you. Stay tuned for our series.